Hello, folks. Marcelo Torres from TradeWise with one more video analysis for you guys on Bitcoin. So, as I expected yesterday, Bitcoin did go up. I just forgot to mention that there was an expiration date today for the Bitcoin futures on CME, but I didn't expect to see it go so high and so fast. Okay, but anyway, my expectation was to see this guy moving forward and positively, and it did do so. But I didn't expect it to break out a lot of resistance line, downtrend line, and stuff like that. But it did do that. Now the question is, will it keep it this way or not? When we look at the traditional stock market, we see that it is moving nice. And there's one thing that I want to tell you guys. If you guys think that cryptocurrency or Bitcoin market is a standalone market, just forget it. It's not a market anymore. It's just an asset for the traditional stock market. That's a done deal. Okay, that's a done deal. There's nothing that proves it different. This is the point. Okay, the Bitcoin market is no longer a market. It's just an asset for the traditional stock market, period. All right, keep that in mind and roll the ball considering this, that until the Bitcoin market proves that it is independent and that it runs by itself, check the stock market and see what's going to go on. Okay, that's what I'm doing for a while now. And since February, when officially we saw Germany, South Korea, France, and so on, moving inside legally inside the cryptocurrency market, forget it. Now it runs according to their interests. And there's something very interesting in this market. There's no rules. That's it, folks. There's no rules. So there's no circuit breaker. There's no nothing here. If you wanted to go $100 up or $4,000 up, it will do so, and that's a done deal. So the big guys, what we call whales, they are the sharks on the traditional stock market. They make the move. On the stock market, they can make a huge move, but here they can do whatever they want. So they are speculating this market as it is today. Okay, so let's deal with that. And having this said, if we consider this and keep on looking the moves that the Bitcoin could do, okay, then we're good. All right, that's what I'm doing. I have market indicators that I do in Portuguese every day. So it's a only YouTube video that I do. If you guys are interested to hear more about that, I will appreciate it to do it in English as well. What I've been seeing is that there's a lot of people that like to see my Bitcoin videos in English on TradingView, which is cool. Thank you very much. But I see that there's not a lot of people seeing it on the YouTube. And on YouTube, I have exclusive videos for that platform. So, in case I see that there is an interest for the English version on the YouTube, maybe I'll start doing the traditional, the what I call the market indicators for the day. I'll do it for you guys in English as well. Okay, just let me know. Okay, thank you very much, and let's go for that feeling around the world here. First, remembering that this analysis is already available on all TradeWiser social networks, and it is also available on podcast. Please follow me and get the first note of all posts that I make available. All right. And if you like this one, please like it. And why not share it with your friends? Okay. And my disclaimer, don't forget that it says that this analysis is just an educational analysis. It's just my opinion that I'm sharing with you guys. Okay, it's not a financial advisory. Okay, here we are. Fear and greed index, it was on a 44 yesterday, it's still on the 44 today. The drop on the market happened earlier today, so we didn't see nothing going forward. I thought it was going to go up, but the move happened right after 9 p.m. UTC -3, or at zero UTC. It happened, but it happened right after that, so we didn't see that going on. So let's see how the chart looks like. Here it is. The chart shows that the Bitcoin, the fear and greed index is moving sideways for the cryptocurrency market, and we expect to see it moving up tomorrow. So, due to the positive move that we saw today on the Bitcoin, all right. And remembering, we should see some cryptocurrencies, the altcoins, moving up to match the price for the Bitcoin. We just have to see the Bitcoin stopping on a level. We're gonna see this right now. Okay, moving forward, let's see how the big picture for the stock market look like. It seems like it's more positive than negative, or who knows, maybe 50-50. But let's check on the Binance balance that I like to show you guys. We have 414 pairs positive, and we do have 400 negative, 50-50 deal. So it was a few minutes ago when I was doing the Portuguese version, it was more negative than positive, which means that all altcoins are starting to move to the positive side following the Bitcoin. As I told you guys, as soon as Bitcoin moves and stops moving, the altcoin just come like crazy after the Bitcoin. All right. So this is the big deal for now. If we look what we have for a positive deal pair with the USDT, we do have 35 pairs, an opportunity, and only one, which is the KAN USDT, moving positively, and it just did its bottom reversal. Okay, the other ones are like 1/4 of the way up. So it's still, we have still like I don't know, maybe 5 or 6 opportunities to jump in to try to get more than halfway up. All right. If we move on the negative, oh, let's go back here. Let's see what this was, a USDT. Now with BTC. Let's see how many pairs. 22 pairs, and most of them are half, one fourth of the way up. So, and just a little are under the half of way up. So there's not much to deal here with the positive side. If we look on the negative ones, which were positive and now did a top reversal, we have on BTC, we have 55 going down, and there's still a lot starting to go down. Why is that? Because BTC went way up. The Bitcoin went way up. Now it reverted and started going down. It did a reversal and started going down. All Bitcoins were going up as well, and now they saw that they have to revert as well. So they reversed and they are going down too. So looks like there's a lot of good stuff to short right now. With BTC, 55 pairs as an opportunity, and with USDT, we have 26 pairs that, let me see, that are all doing top reversal as well. So there's a lot of fun for today, you guys. Moving ahead, here we are with BTC. As you guys can see, Bitcoin is reverting. This is a 1 hour chart. I just wanted to show you guys quickly this reverse, this sky high started something around 4 a.m. Let's get a granular thing. It started Where are we? 21st. Okay, it started right here. Exactly. It started exactly at 4:20 a.m. It just boomed up. All right. So now it is trying to stabilize its move. We see that it's losing its power, its strength, and it is starting to go down. But check this out. It is going down, but there's not a lot of volume pushing it down, okay? Which means that it's just a correction that is going on, which is good because you guys are going to see on the one on the daily chart it is saying that it wants to go up, okay? So 1 hour 1 hour chart is just a very granular move showing what's going on the little side. And on the right side, here we go with the 4 hour chart. It is with a strong correction, as you guys can see right here. Definitely, this is it. This is a pattern for a strong correction, and it is doing that nice and neat. Okay, but there's still a lot of buy power on the volume. Okay, let me see what else. Now it is starting the speculation. Okay, keep your eyes on the volatility because now it's going to start the shake, shake, shake. All right, let's see what else we have here. We have the relative strength index inside the overbought zone, which means it has to get out. So it has to go with the correction here. Okay, we also see the stochastic going on the overbought zone, but for him it's okay. He's just saying that that the Bitcoin might want to revert. Okay, no big deal right here. But we see the signs starting to move over as we see on the money pressure and spread price. Okay, moving forward again for the daily chart. This is a chart that show you guys that definitely we broke out some important levels right here, as you guys can see. This is good, but now we have to see if it's going to maintain this position. But when we look on all indicators, they're saying buy on relative strength index, on stochastic, on MACD, on a volume wave, on price spread, and on money pressure. Okay, and why not to mention on the DMI. Okay, so and we just got back the short-term trend. So I would say by looking at this, if we look closer to how the chart is moving, see, I would say that we might see a Bollinger Blast trade opportunity going on soon on the daily chart. Okay, right here. So let's keep a keen eye here. If we see that the prices are going to keep moving up, it might blast this narrow Bollinger. All right, this the end. Just to end the deal, we can see that Bitcoin is still moving sideways on the weekly chart inside that limitation of 10,000 and 8,500. Okay, between 8,500 and 10,000. All right, that's it for today. Hope you guys liked it. Please like this video, spread the word with your friends, and why not follow me? Okay, with this analysis on hand and with BTC doing some correction, now it's showtime. Take care.